Ladies, welcome back. So today I decided I wanted to just do a nice everyday look using my All About the Eyes palette from Beauty Treats that I purchased from shophush.com. Now I'm going to start out with my eyebrows. In this palette they provide you with a little brush as well as some eyebrow cream in two different shades. So I'm just using the darkest shade to fill in my eyebrows, and I'm also going to use a spoolie brush just to blend that gel or cream into my eyebrows to make them look nice and neat. And I must say, it is a nice eyebrow cream. Next, I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution concealer and use that to clean up my eyebrows a little bit more underneath and on the top of my eyebrows. Now once I have that complete, I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal and use that to set my eyelid for this look today. Now first I'm going to go into this palette with this nice light tan shade, and I'm just going to use that on the upper portion of my eyelid as a transition shade for this look. And I'm just gently blending that in all over my lid, but focusing it on the upper portion of my lid. Next I'm going into a nice soft brown shade, and I'm going to use this in the outer corner and crease of my eyelid, just blending it gently into that first shade, but making sure to stay on the outer portion of my eyelid. Next, I'm going to lighten my lid by using this nice peach shade, and I'm just going in and patting that shade all over the inner portion of my eyelid and just bringing it to about the middle of my eyelid, but I'm making sure to pack that on nice and bright because we want the lid to be nice and light for this look. I'm going back in with that same brush that I used for the nice chocolate brown shade and just blending the outer corner into that lighter peach shade that I put all over the lid, but making sure not to lose that light bright pigment. Now I'm going in with a deeper brown shade and using that to deepen the outer crease even more. And I'm just gently patting that on the outer portion of my eyelid and blending it softly into the crease. Next, I'm going into the black in this palette, and I'm going to use that to really deepen that outer portion and create that smoky look on the outer corner of this eyeshadow look today. And I'm also going in with that brown shade and just blending that black into the crease ever so gently, just to make this look nice and blended on the outer portion of this lid. So once we have our look nice and blended, I'm going to take this tape off and make sure to wipe off any fallout that you might have. Now I'm going to move on to some black gel eyeliner, and this is my Pretty Vulgar eyeliner, and I'm just going to use a very small eyeliner brush to just line the upper portion of my lid right up against my lash line. And I'm not going to do a bold wing for this look. I just want a nice black line right above my lash line. Once I have that complete, I'm going to move on with my black eyeliner and a little bit of mascara for this look. I'm using a nice deep brown lip liner to just line my lips and blend that out on my lips before I go in with my Ultra Long Lasting lipstick, and this is in the color Verona. And I'm just going to use this on my lips today and blend it in with that lip liner. To set this look, I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray just to make sure that this look holds and stays put all day long. So this is the nice, everyday, just simple eyeshadow look that I created with this very inexpensive All About the Eyes palette from Beauty Treats. It just proves that you don't have to spend a lot of money to slay all day, ladies. I purchased this palette from shophush.com. I hope you like this look. It can be created with any simple eyeshadow palette that you have. So I hope you guys will recreate this look or recreate a look of your own and just go out and slay. Thank you so much for checking out my video. If you liked it, please comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Toodles!